Hey, what's up you guys, Fezor here, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to create really nice YouTube thumbnails for your gaming videos. It's so simple, you can do with only Photoshop if you want 2D thumbnails, but you need some materials. It depends on which game you want to create the thumbnail for. Just go to Google. For example, I'm going to create thumbnail for Overwatch, so I need the few Overwatch background. Just type Overwatch maps and just download the HD ones, for example this one, and you need some character. Just go to Google and search Overwatch character PNG and you will get a bunch of characters here. You can download it whatever you want. So once you finish, just open the Photoshop and get started. Okay, let's jump in the tutorial. This is the final one I created before. So let's create a new project and get started. Just go to File, New, and create. The resolution will be 1280 by 720 pixels. It's the default one for thumbnails. Just click OK and make the background black, and just drag your. I opened few characters here, but I'm going to use this one. I'm going to close this ones here and open your background. I'm going to use this one. Double click on the background, make it active, click OK, and drag it into your project. It will be bigger. Just zoom out a little bit, press Ctrl T and hold Shift and make it smaller. Make sure it fit to your project, just like that. Looks great. And I'm going to delete this one and drag your character with your move tool. Just drag and drop to this project and press Ctrl T, make it smaller. I'm going to put it here. Press enter. Then I'm going to add a few effects on it. Just name this background BG and name it character, and make a new layer here and name it lighting, and make sure the foreground color is black. Just press Alt and backspace on your keyboard and make sure the fill is 0%, and double click on the lighting and open the layer style and go to inner glow. Change the opacity down about 60%. Blending mode, change it from screen to lighten. Color dodge, and size will be 20 pixel. It gives a real nice lighting effect, just like that. As you can see, looks really cool. You can play around with opacity and with inner glow. It depends on you. Just click OK. The default one is 60% and size 20 pixel, just like that. Click OK, and I'm going to give some effect to this character. Just double click on it and open the layer style. Go to inner glow and do the same thing on this character. Change the opacity 60%, blending mode color dodge, and size 20. It gives the real nice effect, as you can see. And just check the drop shadow. Change the opacity 100, distance 0, size maybe 40. It depends on which character you are using on this template, on this project. And I'm going to write some text. Just select your text tool and write whatever you want. For example, Overwatch press Ctrl T, make it a little bit bigger, about, let me see, 240 looks good, or maybe smaller a little bit, just like that. And press Ctrl J, duplicate it, hold Shift, just drag it to the bottom of this first text, and you can write your second text, Overwatch, for example, thumbnail, and Ctrl J again, and I'm going to write tutorial, just like that. Looks great. Now I'm going to select this, just double click on the Overwatch text and open the layer style, go to gradient overlay, and open the gradient, and just make the point on the center on this line, and open this color and select the gray color, not full white. Just select the gray color and select the first color full white and the third color full white, just like that. Just click OK and check the setting and make sure the blending mode is color burn, and change the opacity down about 25%, just like that. And go to inner glow and change the opacity about, let me see, 7500 looks good, and the size 10. Go to drop shadow, make sure the distance is 3 pixel, opacity, let me see, 60 I guess, and size 25, speed 25. Just change the opacity about 75. You can play around this opacity if you want, and click OK, and just right click on the Overwatch layer, go to and select copy layer style and paste on this thumbnail, just like that. Now I'm going to add some rectangle bottom of this text. Just drag the rectangle like that, and double click on this one and go to gradient overlay. I'm going to select the orange color. Just select first color a little bit dark orange, and the second color light orange, just like that. And go to bevel and emboss and go depths, go all the way up, just like that, 1000%, and size, let me see, 150 pixel. And in this highlight mode and shadow mode, change the shadow mode opacity 0%, and highlight mode opacity, let me see, 35 looks good, and click OK. Before clicking OK, just add some drop shadow, 75, distance 3, size 25, and speed 25 looks good. Just click OK. Let me look at the shadow a little bit. Let me see. Okay, 100%. The shadow doesn't matter, but you can play around with opacity like that if you want to make it 100%, just like that. Now open the tutorial layer style, go to gradient overlay, and make sure the first color is full dark, and second color a little bit dark gray, just like that. Click OK, Now I'm going to select the tutorial and hold shift and select this rectangle and press Ctrl G on your keyboard, or you can simply make a group, select this tutorial, thumbnail and Overwatch text and rectangle and drag it into the group. And I'm going to duplicate this group, just press Ctrl J on your keyboard and uncheck the group 1 and go over the group 1 copy, right click on it and click convert to smart object and drag it bottom of this character, just like that. Now select the move tool, press Ctrl T, make sure that you selected the group 1 copy and select your move tool and press Ctrl T on this group and right click on it and click screw. Just we are working with these 2 points. Just select the first one, drag it a little bit up, just like 5 degrees, and the second point, drag the bottom, drag a little bit down, like, let me see, 5 degrees, the same with the first point, 5 degrees, just like that. Then press enter and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, just like that, and drag bottom of this character. I'm going to move the character a little bit right hand side and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, looks good. And I'm going to add some lighting effect and color correction on it. Just make a new layer, name it lighting 2, select your brush tool, make sure the foreground color is orange and just one left click on this area and go to blending mode and select screen, change the opacity down about 35. You can play around with this opacity. I'm going to select 35, looks good. And I'm going to make another lighting layer, lighting 3. And this time I want to create the lighting right hand side and change the blending mode screen. This time I'm going to select 20% opacity, just like that. And the last thing we are going to do is adding the color correction on this thumbnail. Just click on this button right there. It says create new fill or adjustment layer. Just click on it and select let me see, color lookup, and select crisp warm effect and change the opacity down about 35 and you will get a real nice effect, as you can see. So you can create your gaming thumbnails with this easy tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys, and make sure you like the video and subscribe if you don't already, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.